You probably think you are taking perfect care of your Ram 1500, but there are 3 silent mistakes you are making right now in your own driveway. These mistakes are actively destroying your truck from the inside out. Let's fix them right now before it costs you thousands in unnecessary repairs. If you want this truck to last 200,000 miles, you need to stop listening to the dealership and start listening to your engine. Mistake number 1 is blindly trusting the factory manual when it comes to your engine oil change intervals. The manual tells you that you can wait up to 10,000 miles between oil changes. For the 5.7 Hemi V8, that is an absolute death sentence for your internals. By the time you hit 8,000 miles, that oil is completely broken down. It loses its viscosity and becomes too thin to protect the camshaft and the lifters. This directly starves the top of the engine of the lubrication it desperately needs, especially if you let the truck idle for long periods in the morning. If you want to avoid a $4,000 engine rebuild, ignore the dashboard light. Change your full synthetic oil every 5,000 miles, no exceptions. Now let's talk about mistake number 2. This one is a silent killer that has nothing to do with your engine, but it can ruin your entire electrical system. The factory seal behind this third brake light is notorious for cracking. It lets rainwater drip quietly down the back wall of your cabin. You won't notice it at first because the water hides behind the rear seats. But that is exactly where Ram placed the main RF hub computer module. When that computer gets wet, your truck will refuse to start and your key fobs will stop working. It creates a massive electrical nightmare that is very expensive to fix. After a heavy rain, go to your truck and feel the carpet under the rear seats. If it feels even slightly damp, you need to replace that brake light seal immediately. Finally, mistake number 3. This applies if you have the factory active level air suspension. It's a luxury feature that turns into a trap during the winter. Over time, moisture and condensation build up inside the air lines and the compressor of this closed nitrogen system. When the temperature drops below freezing, that moisture turns to solid ice. It blocks the valves, and your truck will drop down to the bump stops and stay there. The compressor will keep running until it burns itself out trying to lift the truck. Replacing it at the dealership will easily cost you over $2,000. If your suspension freezes, you need to pull the fuse immediately to save the compressor. It's a simple trick that saves you a fortune in parts. To fix it for good, have a shop purge the moisture and add air brake antifreeze. Or do what many owners do and swap it out for traditional coil springs. Owning a Ram 1500 is an amazing experience, but these trucks require proactive maintenance. You cannot wait for a warning light to appear on your dashboard. These 3 mistakes are common, but the biggest threat to your truck is actually hidden deep inside your engine block right now. If you've been following that 10,000-mile oil change interval, your engine might already have the deadly Hemi tick. I need you to look down at the pinned comment right now. I left a link to a video showing you exactly how to test your engine for that sound. Do not drive another mile until you watch that video and perform the test yourself. It could save you $4,000 today. Go click that link in the comments and watch the Hemi Tick guide right now. Protect your investment. I'll see you over there. Stay safe out there and keep that truck on the road.